Hey everybody, time kind of a hobby channel update today. It is Labor Day here in the United States, so I do have the day off. And so I am spending the day doing absolutely nothing. As I can't think of any better way to do Labor Day than no labor. So there's a couple things I want to talk about here. So starting with the Evil Sunz project. So you remember a few videos ago I was talking about what I wanted to get to finish the 2,000 point list. Well, to my surprise, I found some Evil Sunz models I had forgotten that I had painted. 1, 2, 3. 3 kilocans. They do have Gratzukas, so I do need to get new arms and make them rockets, because those would be perfect for the Evil Sunz clan trait. I think cans with rockets are going to be absolutely outstanding with Evil Sunz, because they get to move that extra 2 inches and still shoot their rockets at full ballistic skill. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. So that's what a 6-inch move, or is it an 8-inch move? I think it's 6, right? Just double check that real quick. Sorry for the delay here. I'm being unprepared for a video. Yeah, 6-inch move. So that's 7-inch move plus an average of 4 inches on the advance. So that's 11 inches plus the 24-inch range. That's quite a threat range at 4+ ballistic skill from 6 cans. So definitely nothing to laugh at for sure. So this puts me over the 2,000 points for my Evil Sunz as soon as I get done painting the KD SDKFZ 251 truck, which I actually got primer on it now. So, but I'm kind of taking a break from painting the orks for a minute because I need a little bit of a break. I've painted a lot of Evil Sunz lately. So yeah, so that's the cans. This will finish up my 2,000 points Evil Sunz list, which I will probably, as soon as I get that truck painted, hopefully it'll be before the Codex drops, and I'll play it at least one game before this pure Evil Sunz prior to the Codex drop. So what I really want to talk about though was something I picked up used. I had my big gaming event a couple weekends ago, and there was a guy selling a bunch of stuff. I picked up a bunch more stuff than I could afford. But this is one of the things I bought. This looted Land Raider. I want to just talk about it for a minute here. Wow, that lighting is way bad. Let's see if we can get the light to a better spot here. There we go, that's better. So I picked this up for $15, so I'm not sure if I got a raging deal or completely ripped off, just as is. Oh no, there's a little turret base here. One of the grot turret base is included too, but that's it. So let's just take a look at it for a minute here. So as you can see, quite a bit of work was put into this. So we got plenty of chunks missing. We got the battle wagon. So it looks like these are all battle wagon bits here. So all the non-Land Raider stuff is all from the battle wagon kit, except for maybe these are from the truck, right? Oh, no, they don't look like they're from the truck. There's spikes there. Huh? Not quite sure. Anyway, the rest of it is definitely from the Land Raider. So you can see there's the grill, there's the doors. Every little bit of this plastic here is from the Land Raider kit. So this is the front, and you get the wheels and you get the tracks, all done very well. Got lots of damage here in the plastic. So someone put an awful lot of work into this. You got doors, these things here, which are in the same space outside a door on the battle wagon. And this is even magnetized. This top here is even magnetized. So I said somebody put a lot of work and care into building this, and this kind of abandoned it. And to be honest, it is completely intriguing to me, but I'm not sure how to finish it. I'm just not sure. The only thing I know for sure is I'm going to break off this back part here and put a hinge on it and turn it into, so it's a movable assault ramp. And really, that's the only thing I figured out so far. Maybe cover up some more of the sides here with orky panels. But I don't really want to cover up this the damage work that person did. I mean, I mean, there was a lot of work in cutting these panels to fit, getting them all in there, right? Cutting down the tops of the Land Raider here to get this to fit. Got this thing here, this round part. I don't remember where that's from. Oh, that's from the turret. Oh my gosh, this was actually cut out of the turret plastic to have that little curve right there, and they matched it up to the side of the Land Raider here. This is, as I said, this was a lot of work, and whoever did this should be quite proud of themselves. But I need to finish it up, and I said, other than that assault ramp, I really don't know what to do. I said I might cover up some more of the Land Raider parts here on the sides where it's just bare Land Raider, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure what to do with it, because I definitely want to get it done and painted. I'm not sure for which clan either. Also, I have this bit left over from the other battle wagon, which I bought used and repainted as Evil Sons, and of course it fits. This is the part here, so it works perfectly right there. So this could be my. I could replace this turret with something bigger and use it and call this my super cannon, battle wagon with super cannon, without too much hassle, or just pull this all out entirely. Hinge this ramp back here. Now it's just an assault battle wagon. That's open topped. So again, please give me ideas on what to do with this. This thing, as I said, the detail on this thing is quite nicely done, and a lot of work into trimming these panels to get everything to fit just right. Well, there's the rest of the curved turret part right up here. It's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic work. And of course, it's been narrowed. That's the thing that I like about it more than anything, is that it's been narrowed, so it's not the full Land Raider width. So it's much more in line with the battle wagon kit as far as width goes. Which, with looted Land Raiders, that's a problem. I think they're too wide, but this one is perfect. I mean, this is absolutely perfect width for a battle wagon. Yeah, this thing is absolutely. I can't talk about it enough. It's almost like a feral attraction. I just can't get enough of it. It's just that awesome. But yeah, I think using this as some sort of wagon variant, or at least having this turret magnetized up here somehow, and then maybe, as I said, maybe covering up some more of the Land Raider with ork panels, and then I'll even put like axles in the wheels right there and right there. Some more ork panels on the side, and then I like to give it guns. It'd be nice if, I know these are great here for the battle wagon. If they hadn't put these on, it would almost be nice to build sponsons with the big shooters in it, or something like that. Like it's able to take or magnetize big shooters, rockets, the even scorches. I could do that up here too if I wanted to. Anyway, I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know what to do with it. And of course, we got this turret spot here, which we can put on which is for the grot turret, or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a pretty long ramble talking about this thing, because I just was rambling there for a while. Again, I need ideas for this. What can I do? Let me know in the comments below. What would you do if you had this kit as it is? I'm definitely going to make it so this turret can be used on it, since I have it anyway. And instead of making a bigger cannon, calling this the super cannon version of the battle wagon, is probably where I'm going to go. But I think it needs a little more detail on the sides, I think. And so I'm going to make the ramp movable in the back, and that's all I have. I'm sure people will have other ideas, but yeah, so we'll call that good for this video. So that's where we're at. So I'm working on that. I got my cans here, so I got to finish up that truck. So I decided to take a break from painting the orks. I got to also buy some rocket arms for the cans. So I've decided to go ahead and start working on some Dark Angels. Just painting up my Hellblasters. starting to at least paint the first 5 Hellblasters. I have got a lot of Dark Angel stuff that's been backed up now. So I have my full 10 Hellblasters. I got the Dark Talon, and I got a Primaris Apothecary and a Primaris Ancient, which I picked up from the same guy I bought this from, the Primaris Ancient, for $5. So that wasn't too bad. But yeah, so I've got a big backlog of Dark Angels I should get started on, especially if I want to get any of that done before the Codex drops. I'd like to at least get some of the stuff done before the Codex drops, because once the Codex drops and those new kits come out, they're not going to be worked on at all, obviously. I'm going to have a lot of building and painting to do with the new stuff. Yeah, so that's a long video, a lot longer than I was expecting it to be. So in the comments below, give me some ideas for this battle wagon, and I will talk to you later.